Hello, my mad scrappers. I am just on for a minute just to let you guys know I have checked the program guide, and that option I said for shop items has gone live already on HSN. So you might want to take a look and start putting items in your cart, or even buy them in ahead of time. Remember, I want to remind you guys that anything you buy today that goes on sale after midnight, you can contact them again and they will refund you the difference. So they will price match it. Right? So you might want to do that just to get ahead of the buying spree. But like I said, if you just click on shop items, and I've already done it, so I've gone over here. So let's see that crafting, it's craft essentials featuring cricket. So now we know what the TSV is. It's going to be a cricket. There's a surprise. And it's probably going to be, yep, it's now the maker. It's the maker's, but see, when you click on shop items, it takes you here and it shows you everything that's going to be featured in that hour. So obviously, it's very crickety. But I just wanted to give you that heads up that you can start pre-shopping. For those of you who do Rakuten, Rakuten has 15% give back, all right? So if you're a Rakuten person, that's why I'm scouring right now, because I do use Rakuten. But what I have noticed is nothing so far of the new releases has gone live yet. And I'm shooting noon on Monday. Monday at noon, and nothing has gone live yet, at least nothing on my list. So that's, so for what it's worth, but I would sit here and go ahead and check to see, okay? So I just want to give you that really quick heads up. Happy shopping, guys. I will see you later. Have a great one. And don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, craft and shop the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!